Today we are here at NHC Langata for an FTTH clinic, that is fiber to the home clinic. So we have set up a camp right outside so that we can onboard new clients and support existing clients. Safaricom Home Fibre, we provide the fastest home fiber in Kenya at the moment, and also reliable services that the clients can manage remotely using my Safaricom app.
When you buy Safaricom Home Fibre, currently you're able to have add-ons to that service. So as opposed to just having internet only, you also have other services that you can layer on to your home internet service, which will now allow you to have like an extended benefit of sorts. So one of them would be Family Share, which allows you to have resources that you can use on your mobile phone. We also have partnered with DStv. So currently you can buy, in addition to your home internet service, you can layer on your DStv service on that, and you use a streaming service to stream your sports or even movies and series from DStv.
For the home fiber, I think I've used it actually more than 5 years. Where I currently stay, I've had it for 3 years. It's the only internet service provision that I normally utilize, and it's been serving me so well.
Watu wengine natawaambia waingie. Hii iko sawa, si kama ukinunua bundles ama data huku nje, hizi tunanunua sijui saa 20 nini zinaisha haraka.
We provide packages for everyone, catering for every need, starting from the 5 Mbps up to 1 gigabits per second. So we cater for every client, whether your needs are small for Wi-Fi or you have larger needs going up to 1 gigabits per second, we can provide that.